Hey guys, how you doing? It's Jason here. I just want to do a short review on my New England 12 gauge single shot shotgun. Um, I want to do some stuff to it. I don't know. Single shot, it does the job just well. I was gonna make it tactical, but what can you really do with a tactical shotgun, especially a single shot? But it's not that bad. Got the shell holder right here. No, it's not bad. Right here I had it. Knife that goes right behind the shell holder. Slide right back up in there. And then behind here I got some on the buttstock 6 foot of binding strap. Holds the sheath in tight. But I'm thinking about putting a light right here though. With some Ranger bands. What's nice about the 12 gauge shotgun, the single shot, is it shoots a 3-inch shell, slugs, buckshot, bird shot, just about anything 12 gauge makes that's in 3-inch. You can shoot out of here, which is nice. On here I got my Sheffield Rogue knife. And the back of it has a fire starter and knife sharpener. Got my bandolier. Holds 50 shells. So, if anybody has any ideas, let me know and I'll back to you with some more videos.